day, learners. I'm Aida C. De La Sena, your subject teacher in cookery. Today, you will learn how to prepare ham and cheese pinwheel. We will need the following ingredients, like bread, cheese, spread, and ham. The materials needed are rolling pin, plastic wrap, chopping board, plate, knife, and toothpick. The first step is to assemble bread on the chopping board. The next step is to remove the crust from the bread. And then, flatten pieces of bread with rolling pin. Roll once or twice. You may use glass bottle if you do not have rolling pin. After that, spread on one edge of the bread. Put the other bread on top edge with spread. Press and seal. Press with rolling pin. Next step is to spread on each slice of the bread. Place ham on its slice. And the cheese. With two hands, slowly roll up each slice of bread and make sure there is no crack on the bread. Insert toothpick if it won't stay rolled together on its own. Wrap tightly in either plastic wrapped or grease-proof paper and refrigerate, since it is a cold sandwich. Slice them 1/2 inch thick and fasten with toothpicks before serving on platters with pieces of fruit or salad vegetables artfully displayed. The finished product: ham and cheese pinwheel sandwich. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy.
That's all, folks.